is deforestation impacting the environment. And what you're saying is this last sentence about the biggest flower. How does that link back to our topic? It really doesn't. If she talked about the habitat being destroyed in this sentence, it would. But she already did that in the sentences before, because you told me they were wet. So we know she's talking about habitats being destroyed in the first 3 sentences, but then the last sentence, how does that relate back to the topic about deforestation impacting the environment? So how could we reword this last sentence to hook it to our topic? What's a revision that we could make? I want everyone thinking, show me your light bulb when you have your idea. Talking about the biggest flower in the world, how can we make that relate to our topic of deforestation impacting the environment? Can you see it? Can I see more light bulbs going off? Charlie, what do you think?
I think we should try to add a new detail.
A new detail aside from habitats being destroyed? Can you remember any details about how deforestation impacts the environment through all the research we did?
Not really. It's hard, but I think we should add a new detail.
Okay,
to remember.
So besides destroying the habitats and the animals becoming extinct because they're losing their habitats, what's another detail we can add about deforestation impacting the environment? Ella, you really want to share? Go.
We will lose some medicine and food that come from the Amazon rainforest.
And how can we make that web the link back to talking about plants and animals becoming extinct? Where do we get those medicines and those spices and those, what else?
From the trees.
And a tree is a
plant.
Is a plant, and she's talking about species of plants being destroyed.
And
so this last sentence, what can we say?
And if some of trees are destroyed, we will lose medicine and food from the Amazon.
Thumbs up if you agree that would work as a detail. The whole new detail talking about food, spices, medicines. Is it linking back? Keep your thumb up. Yes, if it's red. Yeah, let's give Ella some encouragement. I think that would be great. Last detail for the paper.
So what are you editing, Charlie?
Spelling and looking at periods and capitalization.
Okay. Are you revising anything, Caitlin?
Yeah, I'm kind of finished up.
Elizabeth, are you making some revisions?
Yeah, I looked on my rubric and I saw that my calculation and whatever.
Capitalization and
Yeah.
punctuation.
Yeah, that I didn't get that I needed to redo that, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Revise my conclusion, and I just didn't add should your parents buy a tree, so I added now listening to this, do you agree to buy a tree in Africa to help them and us?
Awesome. Tayden, are you revising anything?
Yeah,
What are you revising?
I had some mistakes on my sentences, so I'll have to fix those.
Why? What are you revising on it, specifically on the sentences?
Because I said deforestation is causing carbon dioxide and it doesn't, so I have to rewrite it.
So you have to make sure it's a little bit more clear on the detail?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.